double credit limit, $1,000 and no credit check? Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this very important video, we are going to show you how you can get this $1,000 credit card with no credit check pre-qualification, and you can double your credit limit. Remember, this is a step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part at all. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it, and please smash the like button as it really helps the channel. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the opportunity that you all have been waiting for, and it is from Surge. Remember, you can double your credit limit with Surge credit card, and if you would like to see that how you can qualify, well, we have step-by-step guide for you, so make sure you don't go anywhere. If you have bad credit and worse credit even, you can still get this credit card. Remember, you can get up to $1,000 in credit limit, and the good news is you can double up to $2,000. Remember, we are going to tell you how you can do that, and indeed this is a very important video for millions of Americans who are looking to get a credit card. Remember, you can choose your own credit card design. Yes, you can choose from various designs of Surge, and it's a beautiful credit card, and there's a $9.95 fee applies on premium designs as well. Yes, you can actually go with pride with this credit card. It takes less than a minute to review your offer and apply now. So when you apply through this form that we are going to show you, it will give you the pre-qualification. If you accept the offer, then you can get the credit card. And remember, when you accept the offer, they will do a hard pull on your credit. But this credit card is made for the people with bad or low credit, and even if you have great credit and you would like to have a credit card, then you can simply apply for it. Remember, if you would like to double your credit limit, simply make at least your first 6 monthly payments on time, and your initial credit limit up to $1,000 double up to $2,000. Congratulations. This is indeed a very important and very valuable opportunity for millions of Americans. Remember, here is the form that you need to fill. All you need to do, you need to put your first name, your middle name, your last name, your suffix if you have any, your home address, and if you have a PO box, remember there is no PO box allowed, your address line 2 if you have any, your city, your state you can actually select from the drop down menu, your zip code, your email address, your social security number, and your total monthly income. Remember, you can actually calculate your total monthly income as well. You need to put your primary source of monthly income, and you can actually select it from the drop down menu right here. As you can see, employed full-time, employed part-time, self-employed, unemployed, and other if you have any other source of income. Primary phone number, secondary phone number if you have any, your date of birth, do you have an active checking account, would you like to additional card, I authorize a pre-qualification. Remember, this is a pre-qualification. It means there is no hard inquiry to your credit. And remember, they report to all 3 major credit bureaus. It is a MasterCard, so there is a zero liability protection. The buying power of MasterCard, you all know that MasterCard is indeed a big name. You can double your credit limit as mentioned earlier as well. An initial credit limit up to $1,000. So after filling out the form, all you need to do is to click right here, I'm not a robot, and click on see my card offers. When you do that, they will give you the offers, and it's totally up to you whether you want to accept it or not. Remember that this is indeed a very important video for millions of Americans. Share it with your loved ones and let us know in the comments below if you're going to apply for it. The link is in the video description if you want to go with that, and that's how you can get a credit card which can double your credit limit only in 6 months. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and Have a nice day.